automakers and boat builders don't often mix. Unless we're talking about Mercedes-AMG and cigarette racing, which have been working together since 2007. Indeed, AMG and CR mix it up to bring some form of floating fantasy inspired by an AMG branded product, real or imagined, to the annual Miami International Boat Show each February. Past efforts include an SLS-inspired 46-foot speedboat in 2010, a G63-inspired Huntress, a cigarette AMG electric drive concept in 2013, and last year's incredible 3100 HP Mercedes-AMG GTR, inspired 50-foot GTR Marauder that celebrated AMG's 50th anniversary. How to top that? With this year's marine masterpiece, the Cigarette Racing 515 Project 1. As its name implies, the 515 Project 1 was inspired by Mercedes-AMG's recently revealed $2.7 million Project 1 Hypercar, essentially a Formula One car with fenders like the GTR Marauder. The 515 Project 1 is not powered by AMG-built engines but by a pair of Mercury Racing V8s, churning out 1,550 horsepower apiece, mounted in a staggered arrangement in the engine bay. The speedboat is 51 feet, 5 inches in length, about the same as last year's beastly 5-seat GTR Marauder. But with its 9.5-foot beam, it's nearly 2 feet wider, allowing it to seat 6. In spite of the additional breadth, the intensive use of Kevlar, carbon fiber, and E-glass from stem to stern help keep weight below 14,000 pounds. According to Mercedes-AMG, compared with 14,200 pounds for last year's GTR Marauder, the carbon fiber air intakes are more than 7 feet long and 14 inches wide yet weigh just 4.4 pounds each. Carbon fiber is also used for the deck, the inner structural laminate of the hull, the forward bulkheads, the cabin liner, the engine hatch, the consoles, and the storage hatches. With smooth seas and favorable winds, the 515 Project 1 is set to achieve a top speed of 140 miles per hour. That's considerably less than the 217 miles per hour top end of the Project 1 Hypercar. But then, CR's 515 Project 1 features a large sun cushion over the engine bay for relaxation when the boat is stationary. No chance of that with its four-wheeled counterpart.